Merry Christmas! Cheers! I hope you're all having a fabulous Christmas morning. I do not expect anybody to be on this tutorial this morning because I hope you're all opening presents and having lots of fun. But I've got my hair in rollers and I'm doing a bit of a Christmas makeup, so I thought I would share it with you. So I've done most of my base, but I'm going to go straight on to eyes. And I'm going to be using this Vice palette by Urban Decay, which has got all these colours in. So I'm putting a primer on because I really want these colours to pop. It's actually a different one. Well, it's by Urban Decay, but it's not the one I normally use. This is the original one, which is a bit see-through, only because the other one's in my bag. But it does the trick. So I still have no idea what I'm wearing today, but I thought I'd go for gold. Technically the safe option. Okay. Yeah, so there's some colours here. I think I'm going to go with this one, which is Penny Lane, and a bit of Blitz, and a bit of Muse. It's really nice actually, it's like an apricot colour, sort of an orangey gold. So I'm just going to put that all over my lid and also up into the crease. Right. And I'm also going to pop some in the lash line as well below. That's the same colour, Penny Lane. That goes all the way across. Okay. I'm going to go in with Muse. These are quite loose powders actually, so I've got to be pretty careful with them. And I'm just kind of doing that circular motion again in the crease. Don't panic, I know it's heavy. Blend it down. So again, I'm just, as you can see my brush digging in there, just to make sure I get it in the crease and nowhere else. Okay, and I'm just going to take that clean brush that had the Penny Lane that I used originally, I'm just gonna smudge around this edge here. So I haven't put any product on it. There's probably a bit of this colour left. And I'm just rubbing over there to blend this line out so that harsh line blends. And again on this other side. And then I'm going to use that sharper ended brush, and again in the Muse colour rather, I'm just going to go halfway across into this lash line. And I'm just back on that corner. Just patting it on. And then I'm just going to use a cotton bud. Take off any harsh edges, and also to clean up under the eyes. I don't know if you can see that smearing there. Probably best to put a piece of tissue or a cotton pad or something underneath there so you don't get the drop down, especially when you're working with glitters or super dark colours. Okay. Merry Christmas, Hannah. Merry Christmas, Celine. Cheers. How's everybody's Christmas going? Did we all get nice presents? Did anybody get any makeup for Christmas? So I'm just going to go with a highlight colour on the top. Morning, Jess. Merry Christmas. Okay, now I'm going to use this colour here, which is the gold, and it's called Blitz. And I'm going to pop it on the middle of the eye, like so. Look at that, super sparkly. Ah, thanks. I'm glad you're having a good day, Han. Okay. Now for some eyeliner. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this one, which is a Smashbox one today. Oh, thanks, Celine. Lovely message. Oh, Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas, Janie. So if you watched my tutorial before, I'm pressing this actually on its side. I'm just lining the eye there. Oh, there we go, that's a good mistake. Okay, so we don't actually have to be too neat with this, luckily. I'm only going across the eye. So this one's a mess, which is great. It doesn't matter because we're going to blend it anyway. So I'm going to use an angled brush. And I'm just, this is a black colour, it's called Black Market by Urban Decay. I'm just smudging it into the lash line and building it up. So again, this is a good one to do. Morning. So I'm just making like a nice charcoal effect. So it really didn't matter about the mistakes over here. And then I'm also just going to run under the eye. And just clean up anything underneath. You can see that black bit there. So always worth having a tissue underneath your eye. And this is far more of a New Year's Eve type makeup rather than a daytime Christmas one. But it's Christmas, so we thought we'd go all out. Okay, great. I'm just going to blend this off. And then again with that darker colour, the brush I was using the brown, but I'm actually going to use a bit of the black just to blend this line into that. Just going to press it in the corner. And just make that a bit more intense. Merry Christmas, Roya. Cheers. Okay, cool. So that's on drama. So I'm actually just going to run a bit of illuminator under my eyes. Just to brighten that up. And then just, ooh, blend off this edge again with a cotton bud. And I'm just going to use this one again, which is what I use kind of overall. Just give it a rub to get all the gold off. And then I'm not putting any colour at all, I'm just using it in circular motions just to soften that edge. Now for mascara, which should make all the difference. Hopefully you can see those. because it's quite a strong eye, you could probably afford even another layer. God, these legs are bright. Move back a bit. Okay, we're done. And now for the lips. I'm going to do glitter lips today because it's Christmas. So what I'm going to use, actually for events where you normally use glue, I'm not going to use that today because I don't really want them stuck on all day. They can come off when they're ready, but this should last a good few hours. So let me just get a lip liner, not that one. Okay. So this is in a mascara lip liner. I don't know what it's called actually. Feisty. It's quite nice. It's quite pinky, this one. So I've literally just coloured all my lips in with a lip liner. Gosh, 20% of battery left already. Just got my sister in Australia. Drained my battery. Never mind, we should be finished. Okay, so I'm going to put this lip colour on. Okay, so this does actually dry, not completely matte, but it is a really nice colour. So it is nice on its own. It's called Jus by Amaska. But I'm just going to grab my glitters. And find a festive red. Like this one here. So here we go. So you can just pop this on with Vaseline. It's always nice to have a colour underneath. It just makes it a bit stronger. And be super careful. So if you are doing this, maybe put something like that underneath so it doesn't fall down, or lean forward. See? Glittery. And there we go. Glitter lips, perfect for Christmas. So, and you can do that with gold and with silver. Red tends to look the best. The other colours do look a bit odd, but they are a bit fun, especially for New Year's Eve. So there you go. I was going to take my hair out and do my hair too, but I think my battery is about to die. So I'm going to say cheers, have a fabulous Christmas, enjoy it whatever you're up to, and have a great Boxing Day too. And I'll speak to you soon. All right.